my right. Please abide by the rule. Please, sir. Please abide by the rule.
One question, please.
No, not one, not two, not three. 5 at least.
No. There is no.
Sir, please.
We have taken time. You may ask one question.
No, not one. Okay, if satisfied, I'll do what you ask me. Okay. Sir, let me recall, let me remind the House.
To the question.
This is not the one. This is the need. Sir, we had been fooled by the state government, by the central government from time to time. Stop fooling. Please, stop fooling from now onwards. We cannot compromise
What is your question?
this very present generation with the future generation.
Mr. Speaker, sir, if the honourable member Adelbert says that we are fooling, can you please produce that allegation you made? That we are fooling. What do you mean by saying we are fooling? I really wanted some justification of that. What do you mean by saying fooling, sir? Through you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Let him prove it. Let him prove it. He can't just say this.
If anybody is fooling, it is he who is fooling, sir.
Okay.
And again, how many times has he gone? How many times has he also met Home Minister? Please sit down. If anybody is fooling, sir, it is he who is fooling the people. Every time he comes up and says all these points. But never in his life has he met Honorable Home Minister and written about ILP ever.
All the time.
So only talking and not preaching and not practicing what you preach. It's not the way, sir. Please sit down.
Please, with due respect, only one suggestion because I had spoke every time.
Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. The question hour is over.